Okay, so now let's do practice problem number 17, okay, where we have the tax being instead on the buyers. Now note I've left up problem 16. Now that's left up for a reason, as we'll see in a moment. Okay, so let's go through the three-step process here. Okay, since this tax is on the buyers, which curve is affected? Well, it's going to be the demand. Okay, and which way? Well, presumably a tax. You kind of have an idea of what that does to demand. Just ask how many people want to have a tax on texting. It's going to cause the demand to shift to the left. Okay. So now in terms of trying to incorporate what is the effect, okay, in terms of looking at it in terms of the graph, we can draw this shift. Okay, now again, in terms of the degree to which we have this shift, how much is it shifting? Well, again, it's going to be, this part is equal to how much? Okay, but this part here is again equal to $1. Okay, so what's going to be, or where is the new equilibrium where we'd say, okay, well, it's where the new demand reaches or hits the original supply curve. Okay, and again, that gives us the new quantity. Okay, now what does this point give us? Okay, it actually gives us the price that sellers receive under the tax. Okay, and then finally, what can we say is, okay, price buyers pay. We just use the quantity and again go back up to the demand curve. Okay. All right. And so what do we notice in terms of what the effect is? Well, again, in terms of the price buyers pay, this goes up. Price sellers receive, that goes down. And we also see in terms of the quantity that it decreases. Okay, now if you take a closer look here, I've tried to draw the graphs as close as possible. You notice that in terms of comparison, that it's the same. Okay, and we can actually say, or be even more specific than that, we can say it's exactly the same. Okay, so it's not only that the price buyers pay goes up in both cases, the price buyers pay is going to go up by the same amount. So for example, if this made the price of this particular product go up by 75 cents here, it's going to cause the price for buyers to go up by 75 cents here. Okay, so the idea is it's exactly the same. Okay, all right.